In this video, we're going to talk about the transient lifetime. In transient lifetime, a new instance is created and used every time we need a dependency. So back to our program class, let's change the registration to use AddTransient and run the application. Let's navigate to /add-book. This time we see the hash codes are different. So we are getting a new instance of book service injected into the two book service properties. Let's make a new request by copying the URL, opening a new tab, and pasting the URL and hitting enter. Now we are getting a new set of hash codes that is different from the previous set. So this means that in the first HTTP request, we got two separate instances, and in the second HTTP request, we got once again two new instances. Since every time we specify a dependency, a new instance of the dependency is created and supplied, we can end up creating a lot of objects, and as a result, more work has to be done by the runtime's garbage collector. So this makes the transient lifetime less efficient. So always use the transient lifetime for lightweight, stateless services.